Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use these 8 new AI apps in Canva, or basically they are hidden gems for me. Because right now they're really focused on graphic design using Canva, right? But for now, it's evolving. There are new AI applications, such like the one I'm gonna give you right now. So to get there first, this should be the landing page of your screen also, and then click application section over here and you'll arrive on this landing page. Basically, it's an application store in Canva, wherein there are a lot of applications to work with. To look for the applications I'm gonna give you right now, utilize the search bar. For example, Sketch to Life, type it right there, and then Sketch to Life will be turned sketches into realistic images, like this one right here, and then you should be good to go. I have already loaded them up on this section right here. Everything is in there because they are needed to be downloaded on your Canva, and that take time. Now to save time right there, I already loaded it up, and this is gonna be Sketch to Life. And basically, as you can see right there, Sketch to Life's right there. So Sketch to Life again is gonna be sketch an image and we'll bring it to life. Basically, sketch everything here. Type in the prompt, for example, help AI to understand your drawing, and then it will bring to life. So let's try it right there. I'm gonna draw a house. Basically, I'm gonna draw a very basic house where any nursery or even kindergarten can do so. So right there, a door, some mountains. I don't know if AI can see that as mountains. And how about a little tree right there? Like so. Okay? I'm just finished everything here. And then I'm gonna type in house with a tree and mountains behind it. Click generate. Now this will take a few minutes or so, around 1 minute or 2, as you can see right there, and let's wait for it to finish. So again, this is gonna be Sketch to Life. As you can see right here, this is gonna be the result of the house earlier. Even the trees right here, the way I draw it or sketch it rather, is over there. The mountains are here. As you noticed, this section right here, the clouds, this is the lines I gave it earlier. And again, this is gonna be the house. How awesome is that, right? So basically, you have an AI Sketch to Life in Canva. That's the one application. So let me just remove this one and focus on the next one. So for the next one, it's gonna be Tune Tank. And basically with this one, it is gonna be an MP3 player, music players inside Canva. So after connecting, it should look like this one again. And you've played some things here, let me just play it. So this is gonna be Tune Tank, and let's play some music. Basically, it is gonna be an application wherein it's like a music library inside Canva, where you can use this music when you're creating any Canva template or video or presentations and the works. So I'm just gonna play this one and hear how it works out. As you can see right there, it's pretty good, right? So you can click on that heart icon to make it as a favorite. So it'll be right here. And then if you click on add, it'll be added directly on your Canva. You see that violet wavelength right there, and you're good to go. And everything right here is copyright claim for YouTube, so make sure you fix this first before posting it up on your YouTube, okay? Now that's gonna be TuneTang. Let's move on to the next one. So another application or AI tool inside Canva will be Melody Muse. So basically Melody Muse is, for example, you type in some prompts, input the seconds, and it will generate a music. So this have two options. You have generate option, and there are recents. So recently generated are these ones. You can play them as a preview, and you can also use them, by the way. Now for example, let's type in New Orleans Street Jazz, okay? And basically I'm going to type in 3 seconds, the maximum is 10, click on generate, and this will take around 2 minutes. I'll get back to you once it's here. Now as you can see right there, on the lower part of the screen there is the melody. To listen to it, you can simply play it. Let me try enabling my speakers so you can guys listen to it. Let's try playing it right now. Again, one more time because I heard that pretty good and I like it. One more time. Pretty good, right? It is really good. And that being said, you can try a lot more here. You can play with it. Actually, you can try having some inspirations of the recently created. And basically, that is my little use for you. Let's move on with the next one. So for this next one, it's going to be called Speed Paint. If you're familiar with the one earlier Sketch to Life, they're much the same, but for this one, we're going to use a photo instead, just using a sketch. So Speed Paint is basically image to image again. Choose a file. I'm going to type in, or rather choose a file for myself. Now just for fun, I'm going to use myself, my photo for myself right there. And then we're going to have some choices. Overall smoothness, I'm going to go with default 60 FPS. Sketch duration, I'm going to go with 30 seconds to save time, because this will take around 10 minutes to finish. So I'm going to go 3 seconds. If you want to go 20, 10, please do so. And then if color fill duration, for this one, I'm going to go no color fill because I don't want it to have any color. I just want a sketch of myself. Background color remain to white. And then I want to add that hand sketching effect. I like it so much. If you want to add fade out effect, please do so. I'm just showing you the ropes here and how to work with this one. So click on animate image and then let's wait for it to finish, okay? So welcome back. This is going to be the result. As you can see, without even playing it, even just a preview as of now, it's going to be good. So let me just enlarge this so we can see it properly. Perfect. A second here, sorry about that. I want to put it on the top section and enlarge it a little bit more. Perfect. And that being said, let's play it. So as you can see right there, this is going to be a sketch. For me, it's better. It even gave those lines right there to make sure it's going to be highlighted as a black color or black shirt. I have my smile, my shades, my hair, and everything, right? So I'm going to give this a 9 out of 10. And please check it out. Use different photos to work with your. And that being said, let's move on with the next feature. This one's going to be called Anime Style. It's basically an image generation tool for anime specifically. If you type in any prompt here, for example, goal, add a fall colors with mountains. Let's type in girl in a park. Type in create. So welcome back. This is going to be the result right now. And we just enlarge it so we can see it properly. And right there, you can see it's pretty good for an anime style inside the picture or website Canva, right? I'm not gonna give it a 10 out of 10, but technically, it is an anime style image generation tool. So please check it out and work with it as you see fit. Let's move on with the next feature or tool. Now for this one, it's gonna be Reimagine. And basically for this one, it's the same as the one earlier. You're uploading your photo and you're gonna go sketch. For this one, let's type it up. Choose file. I'm gonna use the same photo I got. Same photo of me, and then I'm gonna choose a style. I'm gonna go for sketch, just for fun here. Click generate and wait for it to finish. And now this will take around 10 minutes or longer, so please wait for it. Don't add files. Let's go on. And I'm gonna click generate right now. So this is gonna be the result of the photo that I uploaded of myself as a sketch on Reimagine feature. Now, I'm not really saying that this is perfect. As we can see, we still have that smile different. I'm gonna give it a 7 out of 10, but technically this is how it works. Choose different styles there to work with, and then proceed how you see fit. Now moving on with the next one. Now this is gonna be CanWave. Now for CanWave is basically creating those wave graphics on your Canva. So we have different types. You have gradient, solid, and line. I'm gonna go with gradient. I'm gonna go with curve. Number of layers, I'm gonna go with 3. Choose a primary color and secondary color right there. I'm not gonna change the angle, complexity, and height variation here. So if you want to change everything but you don't want to manually input, click on generate again. So the AI will choose the features for you. But for now, I'm gonna click add to design, and I'm gonna change it later on. So this is gonna be it. Basically, it's a wave that you can use on your Canva. Now let's change it. For example, generate again. And let's see some different things to work with. I'm going to change a different color for red. And then for the color primary, give me a second. I'm going to go for yellow to make it pop out. And basically for that one, I have 2 new colors. Let's see how it works now. Let me just delete this one. Give me a second. click on add design for the new one that I have. Basically, this is it. That's basically Canva for you. Now let's move on with the next one. It's gonna be called Shade. If you're familiar with Coolers, this one right here. Coolers has a subscription plan, I think $12 per month if I'm not mistaken. And you have to pay for that individually. Wherein if you go to Canva, let me just go on. Canva has this shade option that's for free. With it, you have, or given if you have a Canva Pro. Basically, you're just paying for Canva Pro and then you're gonna have shade. Not much like Coolers, wherein you're gonna have to pay for a different subscription. Now, basically for this one, the same as Coolers, choose a specific shade you want. For example, I'm gonna go with red right there. And then click add palette design. And with this one, I have these numbers to make sure or to know what are this color palette is. Let's try one more, a bit on the blue side. Click add palette design right there, and as it is, I have these numbers to indicate what kind of shade it is. Basically, that's shade for you, so you don't have to use Coolers and pay for a different subscription. For me, this is pretty powerful because it saves you so much money. Actually, all of these tools can save you so much money. Now let's move on with the next one, or basically the last feature. It's gonna be called Magic Media. Basically, for this one, it is an AI tool, much like Midjourney, but I'm not saying 100% Midjourney, okay? So it is a text to image and also text to video. Let's try text to image with this one. So describe the image you want, and we'll generate it for you. So for this one, I'm gonna type in, let's just say, a car on a road. Easy as that. Basically, just gonna be that. And then if you wanna try an example, this is gonna be by image, I think, or it will generate you new prompt right there. So I'm gonna go vintage poster of a motorcycle. I like this better. And then the style, I'm gonna go filmic. But if you can click see all right there, you'll have different styles. I'm gonna go still with filmic. And then go back. And then aspect ratio, square, landscape, portrait. Basically, I'm gonna go with square, the most basic one. And then use 1 of 500 credits. As you can see, there is a credit right there. Use 1 of 500 even though you have a Canva Pro version. Don't worry, it refreshes every month if I'm not mistaken. And then click generate image. So this will be the results right here. So choose a one because I want to show you something here. You can make consistent characters on this specific AI tool. Don't worry, I'm gonna teach you how to do that one. So I'm gonna place the example that I like on my Canva for reference. And if, for example, this is the one I use, right? Make sure this is the one you're gonna click the 3 dots with. That being said, I'm gonna change this one, for example, vintage poster of a motorcycle. Let's type in car right there. And then click the 3 dots and generate more like this. Click on it. So welcome back. These are the results right now. And if you choose one, for example, this one right here. And basically, they're the same consistent characters. But now I just use a car instead of a motorcycle. How powerful is that, right? Now basically we're good now, but there is a new feature here inside Magic Media called videos that I want to share with you guys. So with this one, text to video, describe a scene to generate a few seconds of a video. For example, with this, I'm gonna say a girl walking in a park. Okay, follow through with this one. Easy as that. And then I'm gonna type in let's just say carrying a bag. And that's it, basically with that one. If you don't have any example in your head, for example, you don't know where to start, simply click on try an example right there. Like, give me a second here, I'm gonna try it out. So as you can see, each one I click, there is a new prompt. So I think I'm gonna stay with this one, a beautiful spring rose in a garden in the style of a Russian natural right. And then powered by Runway ML. If you're familiar with this one, I have a video about it, so please check it out. So this is still an experimental new technology. So there will be some bugs with this one, so please pay your attention with those, okay? So generate video. Again, it has 1 out of 50 credits per month. And let's wait for it to finish. So welcome back. This is gonna be our video preview as of now. And then if you want to generate again, of course, click on this button. Now let me just click on this one so we can place it on your Canva. And basically with that one, we have created a video inside Canva with the help of AI. I'm gonna click play. As you can see right there, it's a rose inside a garden. Perfectly good, right? As you can see, there are still movements, even though it's still on beta phase. If you click on it, there are still movements right there. Minimal movements, but still, there are movements. With that being said, with this one, that is how to use this new 8 features in Canva to save you money, basically. And they are very good. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Goodbye for now.